Sunday, that is today, 22nd of March at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, the Prime Minister has announced we'll be doing something very unique.
No rain.
Something that I've found very interesting for a nation head to announce. Non-politically, it's a great idea, and here's why. At 5 p.m., Indians around the cities and towns are going to come to their windows and be clapping hands, banging stuff, whether it's a metallic plate, something, showing 5 minutes of gesture of appreciation to people who are risking their lives, who are exposing themselves, but helping people to fight the epidemic of coronavirus. These are people who are ambulance workers, who are doctors, who are out on the streets disposing waste or providing hand sanitizers, masks, etc. We're going to be appreciating people at 5 p.m. for 5 minutes by showing this gesture. What a unique way to communicate that we appreciate people's efforts and bring society together. I love this form of communication and I hope you will participate because I will be doing the same. Much love. I'll see you guys tonight at 5 p.m. by my window, and we'll be clapping our hands and appreciating all the people who are putting their efforts to fight this corona epidemic together. I'll see you guys very soon.